Hello guys. So this is an update regarding a free upgrade for all the students who have enrolled to Vysh IAS test series, and those who have not enrolled, you will also get some free tests. So this UPSC prelims got postponed, as you know, from June 27 to October. So students have been continuously asking, like, sir, should we prepare the next few months of current affairs? If we have to prepare, where we'll get it? Will you be giving us a continuation of a test, or how should I enroll to that? How can I buy that separately? So many questions have been coming. So we have finally decided that it will be completely free. Okay, the June, July, August, and September. That is the next 4 months current affairs. Each PDF having more than 150 pages, and you know it is like one of the most exhaustive compilation of current affair. If you study from this, you won't have to study from anything else, okay? Because whatever has come in the past in exams have been somewhere or the other present in our materials. So this is a update for you. So those who have not been part of our test series, I'll show you samples also of our current affair magazine, how it looks like. Okay, because it's a test come magazine, and that is why it's like 2-in-1 service, because other institutes either give you a test separately or a magazine separately, and also there will be no connection between both of them. But here it is like MCQs. You will be learning the entire current affair through MCQs, okay, with detailed explanation, and also the newspaper link. Okay, almost 10 to 12 newspapers I refer while making this, so all those links are also given. So you can enroll to this, and those who have already enrolled, you don't have to do anything. This will be completely free. Okay, and we are planning a new batch 6 for the 2021 aspirants who are not part of Vysh IAS till now, and maybe now because the exam got postponed, you are trying to give your best. Batch 6 will be announced maybe today or tomorrow. That video will be out, okay, with the timetable, with the free study timetable. So that is there now, and that batch will have these 4 also, okay, meaning instead of 12 months of current affair, your pack by default will have 16 months of current affair. Okay, so this will be free for all the existing students. And today in Vysh courses, we have put an on-demand video, that is which vaccination you have to take, or what is the difference between Covaxin, Covishield, and Sputnik. Okay, because Sputnik, yesterday's news was there that Russian vaccine, it is like already approved in India, and now India will be making it. 70% of that vaccine now will be made in India. Okay, because India has the largest vaccine manufacturer. Okay, Serum Institute in Pune. So this is a very big news, and so entire difference, okay, even the technical difference, what is the technical difference between Covaxin and Covishield, and the doses, the gap between each dose you have to take, and what is the price of each these things, entire thing, all your queries will be answered in this video. It is there in Vysh courses. It is already uploaded. Please go and watch it, like it, and share it with everyone, because this is not just a UPSC topic. Everybody has to get vaccinated, so this is a common video for everyone. So please share maximum. Okay, so these are feedbacks from our students who are already studying from Vysh IAS. Like if you see here, it's been 5 days now. Your timetable has really helped me a lot. Now every day I don't have to spend time deciding what to read and from where to read, because we have already done the timetable work for them. Okay, here, can't believe within 10 days I have completed Spectrum, half revision 2. Then NCERT 678, geography, all this in 10 days you can complete, because the timetable is set that way. Each 2 hours you have to read which book, which page, everything is mentioned in the timetable. Okay, so if I don't have your timetable, it would have taken at least 2 months to complete. As you promised, you made me a serious aspirant. Now I regret not joining your test and not following your advice, even though I had watched your Spectrum and Asian history way back. Okay, because he was watching a video previously also, year to that, but they didn't enroll. Now they regret that they did not join it earlier. Okay, so please see to it that you read all the feedback. I have given hundreds of feedback in our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, everywhere we have given tons and tons of feedback. So you read them. These are also aspirants like you who have the dream to become an IAS or IPS, and that is how they are thanking me, okay, or our team. So this timetable you gave is very helpful, sir. I could have a clear idea on what to study. Thanks a lot. And it's really helping, sir. Really satisfied with the course. Thank you so much. Then here, thank you very much for all your efforts. I am working and have a family to take care. You have taken all the anxiety and pressure of planning. Now I only think about achieving weekly schedule in your timetable. I salute your efforts. Then here, if you see exactly, sir, there is no thinking what to study. Just cover the portion mentioned in the timetable. That's all. So people are, I will not tell spoon-feeded thing. It is like a timetable model, okay, which is editable also, which you can modify according to your needs. But if you follow exactly like we tell, there is a guarantee that every subject you will study at least 2 to 3 times by the end of the year. Okay, but now, as I told, batch 6, you have only 4 months left. Okay, 120 days. So that in a separate video, I'll show you the timetable. Now, this video is only about current affair. So how many months of current affair you have to study? This is one doubt which students ask. Ideally, whenever your exam is, prior to that, 12 months to 16 months is mandatory. Okay, like suppose now October is your prelims. So maybe September, nothing will come, or UPSC by that time will lock the question paper, so they will not pick up anything in September. But if for your mains anyway, you need it. So you have to read the months before October, that is exam month, up to 12 to 16 months backward. And if it's always safe if you do 24 months. Okay, this is what we tell to every student. Whichever, if you're my student or if you are any other institution student, I'm telling you, you have to study 24 months for your safety. Okay, 24 months current affair, if you do, lot of static portion also gets covered along with that, because current affair doesn't means like how much money is allocated in a budget. Okay, this is a UPSC exam, not SSC exam where they will ask you numbers or names, but how a budget is being done, or how, what is the procedure of budget, how is a bill passed. These are all theory you will study when you read the older current affair, because maybe 2019 budget may not be presented the same way as 2020 budget, because every year this government is making small changes, so you get to know the process much better. Okay, that is why you have to do at least 24 months of current affair. So that I hope it answers. Okay, please don't ask this question again and again. Now, sources for the current affair, we already have a books and sources video, which if you search in YouTube, Vysh IAS books and sources, one video will come. In that I have told what to do and from where to do current affair. Then extra things which you do. Okay, there is this Outlook magazine, there is this Kurukshetra, Yojana. These are magazines which you can do as extra reading for your mains. But for prelims, I don't think that much important factual things are picked up. Even if picked up, or maybe a rare fact, it will be one question. Okay, for one question, you cannot sit and read 12 months of big magazines like this. And it's based on your taste also. Okay, some people will not be comfortable reading Kurukshetra and this thing. But for mains, I will suggest that. But for prelims, you read newspaper every single day. You have to read, no matter which stage of preparation you are. You have to read, because up till your interview stage, you have to become. Again, it's not about the exam. As I always tell, you are planning to become a district collector. You are planning to become an IPS officer, and so you have to have that observation passion, that you want to know what is happening around, not only in your district, in your city, in your state, in your country, and across the world. International relation. Now, Israel-Palestine issue is going on. You cannot tell like I'm not interested. You have to be interested. Okay, you have to know what is happening there, and related to that, whether Syria something happened, Libya something happened, you have to show interest. Okay, same like this vaccination. Now you just cannot stop by bothering about just Covishield and Covaxin. You have to know whether more efficiency medicines are there across the world. Why is India not importing that one? What is the problem with that? So everything you have to show interest. Okay, you have to know everything about current affair, because you want to become a civil servant. Okay, so sources automatically will come to you. First and main thing is newspaper. Then one good test series, which we believe we are providing one of the best in the country. So you can enroll. I'll show you the samples also. Okay, newspaper reading, already there are videos. You can simply search Vysh IAS newspaper reading in YouTube. So this will come. This is that books and sources video. So in this I have told correctly. Okay, and there is another video how to make notes. So all these combined will tell you exactly what to read, how to make notes, and then how to memorize it. Okay, so here this is not a simple video. It's a very detailed video where page by page of Hindu I have shown. Like if it's a sports page, what to do. If it's a front page, what to do. If it's a editorial page, what to do. Like that I have done a very detailed video of this. Okay, on this. So please watch this. This was recorded last year when 21 aspirants started preparing. But it will be applicable to all the future batches upcoming in UPSC. Okay, this is a common generic video. Okay. Now for a sample, if we take our PDF, okay, like this will be July 2020. Okay. In our test, how it will look like, we'll have an index. Okay, in the answer PDF, there will be an index like this, and there will be the MCQs. If you click on this, it will take you to the MCQ portion, and then below the MCQ, after 100 MCQ, we'll give notes. Every month notes will be there, but that depends on that month's issue. Okay, because every month we cannot predict like what issue will come. July there was this Rafael coming to India, and then new education policy was launched, so that detailed notes was there. Okay, so if you click on this, it will directly take you to that section after 100 MCQs. Okay, so here detailed notes are there, and if you then want to go back to contents, you can go back here. Then here again, if you want new education policy, it will take you to new education policy. Okay, so all the relevant links required for that, and then general updates. Okay, it's all based on July. Okay, maybe now things will change, so that will be there in the upcoming months of current affair. So like this, notes are there after the 100 MCQs. Okay, now if you go back to the front page, here extra snippets are there. These are again extra something beyond 100 MCQs. Okay, after the 100 MCQ, we give extra snippets like this, and that will be, at least if you see, this is the 89th page, meaning by 80 pages or 85 pages, your MCQs are over, your explanations are over. But after that, till 150 pages, you have detailed notes. Okay, and that is classified subject wise. Like if you see, defense is there. So after defense, if you see, below that space will be there. So that also, to navigate quickly, you can go to the top and use the index. Okay, see, defense is there. Then after that, space is there. So if you go up and see the index, what all we have, defense, space, science, and even corona related updates we started putting in the last year. Okay, when this corona thing started, from that time we included this. It's also part of index. So corona updates, if you click, whatever is happening in state wise or center wise or ICMR, anybody is doing something, any state is doing specific scheme, mission, any food distribution, anything is there, that specific notes, only the bullet points, only what you need for a UPSC aspirant, that will be there. It's not like the newspaper where you have to read and then understand. So that is why this is a very detailed magazine. Okay, culture, union ministry, state ministry schemes, international relation, committees, summit, reports, okay, and even interesting extra GK I have given, which may be or may not be relevant for the prelims, but for your interview and all, you will need it. So that is interesting GK fact. Then sports is there, award is there. Sports also only if we feel it's relevant for the exam. Okay, then awards is like anything which is important in the central level or state level, that is being done. So this is how the answer PDF will look. If you click on this MCQs, this is how it will look. Okay, sorry, yeah, this is the first question. One question, answer, answer key, explanation, and then below the news link. If you click on this, it will take the news link from which I have made this MCQ. Okay, it's like this MCQ1, MCQ2, it will go on like this, okay, with detailed explanation. And question PDF, it will look like this, okay, where there is only black and white questions. So this, if you want, you can print also, but we don't recommend, because these many pages of this many tests, if you print, it is a waste of money for you. You can take this and then look like, okay, this is like 1, 2, or maybe I'll mark it 1 only. Then this is B, this is D, like that you mark or go through it and then open the answer PDF. I'm telling, if you want to do it like a test, else just directly open this answer PDF and then learn. Okay, like reading a magazine, read each question, read each answer, and you will study. Okay, this is like, okay, this is understood, both 1 and 2. Then we'll go like this. Then we'll go to the next question. I understood that it is Mars. Then okay, this is the answer. My answer Jupiter was wrong. So like this you will study. Then after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, okay, now you have already gone through this once, right? After 2-3 weeks, directly take the question PDF, because you have already studied this. Now when you do this, you will be able to remember, yeah, this was wrong, this was Mars, my that time's mistake, Jupiter was wrong. So like that you will study, you will revise entire thing, and this you should do multiple times till your exam. Multiple times you should do. That is where our timetable helps you. Our timetable tells you like this day take June current affair and do, this take July current affair and do. So that is applicable only to the full-time aspirants who have enrolled to the full test series. So okay, sorry, so that is the point. That is how the test will look like. Then there are mistakes done by students, which I'll quickly tell. There are poor decisions taken in the starting of the year, like toppers have told that, so I will also do that. That guy has taken this optional, so I will also take that. Don't do that. You have to have your own self decisions. Okay, then bad investment, simply going and investing in unwanted toppers notes and some handwritten notes, these are all not required. Okay, they would have written what they like. Your notes should be made by yourself. You read the newspaper, you make the notes. You read an MCQ, you make the notes. It's up to you. Don't read other people's notes. Okay. Incorrect approach. Okay, people without even knowing what the exam is will directly take and tell like, sir, I completed Spectrum 2 times, I completed Lakshmikant 2 times, but he will have no idea like what exactly is asked in the paper. If you have not seen the syllabus, you have not seen the previous year papers, you have no right to start Spectrum. Okay, first go and check what is asked, which portion is asked, whether they ask too much about Marathas kingdoms, or whether they ask too much about Akbar kingdom, or they ask only wars, or they never ask war. You have to know such kind of basic details before even jumping into the exam. Okay, then finally you will regret after the exam and then tell like, sir, sorry, I should have joined your test series. This is a mistake. So please don't do that. Research very well. Okay, research should be like at least 10 days, 15 days take and research about this exam. And for that also, I have done your job easy. I have made at least 15 to 20 fundamental free videos, foundational videos, which answers all these questions. Okay, we have not told like Vysh IAS is the best or something. In that videos, we have told what is UPSC, what to study, what to download, what books to buy, how to write notes, how to print this thing, how everything which you have doubt, right? Any aspirant, I know what doubt they will have. Okay, what all doubts they have, everything I have compiled and made those videos. So please contact us, get those free videos, understand UPSC first, then buy the textbooks and do this unwanted extra by hearting and then showing off that, sir, I did Lakshmikant 10 times, I did this thing. There's no point. If you don't know like what will come from Lakshmikant, then why are you reading it 10 times? Okay, you will anyway forget it. Lakshmikant is not something you will by heart and then it will stay with you forever. You will definitely forget. Okay, money bill, ordinary bill and all. You study 1,000 times, still I can ask you a question which I can make you go wrong. Okay, so please see to that you see the question paper first. Okay, now current affair packs. 2022 students. Okay, you need the 12 months of current affairs starting this June, which is mandatory for you. So that will be part of the 2022 full test series anyway. But if you want to buy separately, you can buy this separately. Okay, or 2021 students, you should buy 12 months plus, but because it's extended, 16 months, okay, till September. That also you can buy at the same price. And then if you need older current affair, 1 year older current affair, 2019 June to 20 May, that is available. And even before that 1 year current affair if you need, that's also available. So in total, 48 months of current affair is detailedly there with us. Okay, so you can take that, see the question answer and study. Okay, and the students who are not part of Vysh IAS, okay, you are not having any PDF, you are not applicable for this free upgrade, simply send an email 3 free. When you send 3 free to this email ID, I'll give you 3 free tests. Okay, 3 current affair tests, May, August, October, randomly I'll take 3 current affair tests and give it to you. Okay, or if you want that July, which I showed sample now, that itself I can give you, because there's Raphael notes and the things will be there. So any 3 randomly I'll give you, so you can get a feel, like you will see like, okay, am I understanding, am I able to like I'm comfortable with this link clicking and all and seeing this PDF, am I understand, or how much time I'm taking to complete a particular PDF, this and all you can go through, then only you can enroll. Okay, don't enroll without knowing about us. We don't force anyone, because we need only the most serious aspirants who understand this exam and who is dedicated to this exam. Okay, so please see to it that you listen to what we tell. It's all told for your success only. And please subscribe to this channel, because whatever we put is relevant for this exam, and no unwanted masala content will be there in this channel. So I'll come up with the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.